Hi, I'm Mark with Wright Products. Today I'm going to show you how to install Bandit Latch on a door frame using the Saber saw method. This is a piece of door jamb with the cutout already in it. We have a lot of door shops that put these in and send them out to the job site already installed, which is probably the preferred method, but we've got a way where you can cut them in out on the job site if your door shop doesn't supply them. This cutout measures 8 3/8 top to bottom, and it measures 2 inches from the interior edge of the door back toward the door stop. When the door shop cuts it out, it leaves a radius there that we don't need that with the Saber saw method. The weather stripping is going to cover this cut along here. You won't really see it once it's installed. The top and the bottom cut have to be a nice cut, and they have to fit nice to make it look like a good job. All right, the first thing we got to do is lay out our cut marks on the jamb. I'll get this weather stripping out of the way here. And you can do this, just lay it out with a square. You want to go from the center of your doorknob hole, you want to measure down 1 7/16 inches. That's the bottom of your cut. Then you want to measure up 8 3/8 to the top of your cut. We're also going to, and you can cut those with a square, we're also going to cut down along here, and this cut isn't real critical, basically 1/8 of an inch away from the door stop for that cut. I've got a little template that I use that you can put it on here and just center that over your hole. You don't have to do any measuring that way, and just mark the top and the bottom. And I probably won't even put a line on the side there. Alright, then we're ready just to slide this in here. You see how that went in there pretty easily. You don't want to wedge it in there too tight, because then we've got adjustable strike plates and they won't slide easily if you get it wedged in here too tight. So that's a pretty good fit. We got to be flush here and flush here, and then we're going to go and we're going to put screws in the back side. For these inside holes where the jamb's 3/4 of an inch thick, basically we're going to use 3/4 inch screws, 2 of them, one top and bottom. And then I use 1 1/4 inch drywall screws back here where the jamb's thicker, and run those in the other holes. Now we've got it installed in the jamb. Put the weather stripping back in here. And the door is ready to install. For more information on Bandit Latch and other Wright products, please visit our website at wrightproductsinc.com.